Hello, good people. This is Sherry Shine, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also create YouTube tutorials to bring out your creative genius. Today, I'm going to make some fabric earrings using my denim fabric and my shape template to make a pair of teardrop hoops. Okay, we need our scissors, a really good strong pair of scissors because we're going to be using leather on the back of these earrings. We need some glue, some either glue or some E6000, whatever is your preference. Have a piece of leather that we're going to use on the back. And the paint is optional, but I think I'm going to paint the back of my leather blue to match the denim. I need a little something to punch holes into the denim to make my earring holes. And of course I need my earring findings. I use these pendant clasp ear hooks that I love. Okay, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is going to attach the denim to my leather. And to do that, we're going to use the glue. So I'm gonna put some glue on the fuzzy side of the leather, the wrong side of the leather. And this is just plain, white glue. I'm gonna kind of use a lot of it because the leather really will absorb the glue, and so will the denim. I'm gonna use my sponge brush to spread it out. Okay, and for good measure, since I have extra, I'm going to spread the rest of the glue into my denim. Okay, so now I'm going to attach my leather to my denim, to the wrong side of my denim, of course. Make sure you get a good strong attachment here. Sometimes I use a credit card or something to kind of squeegee it down. I don't have that with me right now. I'm in my home away from home. So in North Carolina. But I'm just gonna make sure I have a good strong attachment. Now, all right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shape template and I'm going to trace this shape onto my leather. Let's see here. Let's see if this pencil will work to draw. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, that's a little better, different. Anyway, I have these shape templates. They are available in my Shopify store. I will have a link to my Shopify store as well as to my Amazon store. I also am an affiliate for Shopify. If you are contemplating starting a website to sell your jewelry or anything else, I have a link to Shopify that will give you a free trial for a limited time, long enough for you to decide whether or not having a Shopify store will be worthwhile to your business. Okay, let's see here. So I got this one cut. Okay. Let's cut the second one and then we can get going. This is a pretty quick way to make some unique earrings. I love denim. I love fabric, period. But I just love working with denim because it's so versatile. Okay. When you're cutting leather, you need a good pair of scissors. This pair of scissors is really good. I'm gonna tell you what the brand is. It's a pair of Fiskars, yes. And they have some scissors that are specifically for leather. When I bought these, they just said for thick fabrics. So, but they are doing the job quite nicely. So, I have my 2 pieces cut out now. So, can you believe we are almost done? We are almost done making these. Okay, I see I need to do a little more cutting here. So let me cut that around a little bit. Okay. Now, okay, so you know what, I'm not gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna paint this, but if I wanted to, you know, match that, but I don't think this brown leather is gonna look bad, so I'm not gonna paint. So all we do now is we turn this is how the earring is gonna hang. So we're going to punch a hole. Oh, I need something to, okay, all right, I don't want to prick my finger, so I have to be really careful with this. This leather is pretty, I would like to be able to put some pressure on this so that I could really get this done. What can I use? Like I said, I'm not at my regular place, but I have a hole punch that is good for metal and anything, so it would just go right through this. Also, they have those leather hole punches, and I have that as well, but of course not with me. I am making do with what I have at this juncture. The shape template set has 10 pieces, round, different shapes, round, square, triangle. There's another piece like this that's longer. It's 6 inches long. This one is 5.5 inches long. So no, it's 5 inches long. So it makes an earring that's 2.5 inches, probably about 2 because it's kind of folded. But the other one is 6 inches long. So it makes a longer earring. And then I have a very short one that you can use for an earring, or you can use it a different way. I have to make a video on the ways to use it. So now I have my 2 holes. All I need to do to complete my earrings, and I got glue on my hands. I take my pendant clasp earring, and then I put it through the first hole, and then I match it. And I'm gonna take my flat nose pliers, and I'm going to squeeze this together. Squeeze it down, squeeze it together. Okay, got it. I got it. There you have it. So, all right, I'm going to make the other earring and then I will be back. All right, good people, all the links will be in the description to the Shopify store, to my Amazon store, the Shopify affiliate link. They're all down there. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment, and as always, be blessed.